helping with some maths that you might get. So let me start. For example, you might get this type of maths. Let me just make my phone a bit more bigger. So you might get 3 is the whole number, okay? 3 to 8. Because I can't do that, I'm gonna have to do. Guys, you get what I'm trying to write. So 3 whole and 2/8. Then what you get is a times. So let's write this symbol. Then you get 9/10. Now what are you gonna do? What you're gonna have to do is firstly to make the 3 whole number into 3 and 2/8 into a whole number. So like 9/10. So what you have to do is do 3 times 8, because you have to figure out the way. It doesn't make clear now because it's not on a paper, but I'm going to try show you on paper in another video. So then equals, so what is 3 times 8 is 24, yes? Okay, let me show you. See, it is let me make this clear. So see, equals 3 times 8 equals 24. Then what you have to do is that you found your answer. Now what you have to do with 24, you have to add with 2, because there's a 2 still left. You can't just leave that out. It won't make the math correct, okay? Then, which equals to 26. So now we have one more thing. You see we have 26, yeah? We have to write slash what's called 8, because there's still an 8 left here. So no, because 8 is a denominator and 26 is a numerator. So you have to make this clear. 26 can't work. So because 26, if you just write 26, it's just gonna be a normal whole number. It's not gonna be what you want it to be. So you have to write 26. You could either write slash or underneath it 8. Now you found your answer. Now you have to find that symbol and write 9 times, slash 10. No, not 20. 10. You see? So 10. Now, what you're gonna have to do, let me highlight this part. Actually, no, we don't need to highlight. Let's just keep on writing. So what is, this doesn't look clear, but I'm gonna make it look clear. So 26, whoops, 26 times 9. 26 times 9 equal to 234. Because look, I'm just going to show you an example. So let's just go a bit further so you guys understand the quote. So 26 it's such a hard word doing something like this. 26 26 times 0, 0, 9. So look. Guys, don't mind me. I'm gonna. So, what is 6 plus 9? Actually, no. What's 9 times 6? Is. You guys think. Well, you think, okay? It's 54, isn't it? So let's write 4 for now. But we still have a 5 left. So let's write 5. Now let's write, because we have a 5 left, we're going to figure it out soon. The 9 times 2 is 18, obviously. So we write 8. What's 8 plus 5? 18 plus 5. 8, 23, okay. So now, we have 2 free. Am I now right? Let's check. 3. So there. So you guys have. Now we don't need this, so let's erase that. Okay, now you have to do 0. So because you have you're doing another one, you have to write 0. But because you still have to times it. So 0 doesn't worth anything right now at this rate. So what you have to do is write 0 and stuff like that. So now you see. So now we're gonna add these 234 plus 234 plus 0 is 234. So the answer is 234. Now you know how to do this, hopefully. So next you have to do is you have to do 8 times 10, which equals to, obviously you guys are gonna know, 80. So yeah, don't mind me. So yeah, next, after that, we're gonna do, because 234 over 80. So that's over now. That's our improper fraction. Now, we have to make this into a mixed number. So what we have to do first is to divide 234 divided by 80. So I'm gonna make this a bit on a different page. So 234. We're doing the bus stop method so let me show you. So 234. So this decimal isn't correct. So actually, I'm not going to show you like this. I'm going to show you in a different one. It was actually better on here, but alright. So 234. My bad. 34 divided by 80 is what's called 2 70. No. So you can't do this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you better on paper. But let me... Wait a second. So now, you have to find the improper fraction. So I'm going to write the improper fraction because I can't show you right now. So yeah. So 2, okay, that's a whole number. Just don't. Okay, then 74. There is 80 because the 80 means the denominator does not change any time at all. Okay. There. So this is answer 2 whole and 78, 74 and 80. But we forgot one thing. What timetable do you think 74 and 80 is in? Think. It is in 2. Yes, it is. So now what we have to do is divide it. So 74 divided by 2 is... So 74 divided by 2 is 37. So let's write 37. Come on. So it is, let's write 2 whole number 37 over, so I wrote the next one for you guys. So there is 40, okay? So now let's write 40. 40. Now the answer should be 37 and 2 whole and 37 over 40 because you can't go any deeper. So now, you guys get it? Wait, there. So you guys get it now. So the answer should be 37 over 40. Now I'm going to do another one for you guys if you guys don't understand, you know. So yeah, let's go a bit more here. Now let's do let's do a type of similar question. So I'm gonna actually write, this is better though. So 4 over 10 times 4 over 5. Now it's the same thing. Times, which equals 20 plus 4, equals 24 over 10. Then we do times 45. So then what we do is let me write this on here because we have to do one thing, but I'm going to show you guys on here. Okay, so look, we have, because 24 and 10 are the same timetables. What we're going to have to do is divide them with 2. So 12, 5. So there, now we have it. Now we have to write 12 times 4 equals 48. 48. I don't have great space, but it's alright. Let me write this a bit more smaller if I can. because I'm using greatly amount of space. So let's write that again. So then I wrote that again, and now it equals 48, and then 5 times 5, which is so because you can't do anything else, and this is the answer. So the answer is 48 over 25. So now I'm gonna move on, and if you guys need a recap, I could show you. So this is the first method, and the answer is here. So let's zoom in and see. So 3 whole, okay. So times 9, 10. 3 times 8 equals 24. Then 24 plus 2, because there's a 2 here, equals 26. We get 24 from, where we times it. Then we do 26 slash 8 times 9. 26 over 8 times 9 times 10, 9 over 10 equals 234. And that's, and then we did, you know how to do it. Okay, so then we had to do is 8 times 10, because you have a 8 and a 10 left timesing. So then which equals 80. Then you had to do, so 2 whole and 74 over 80, but because this is at the same time tables, it was 2 over 74. Now, pink, I'll recap. So I think it's pretty much like that. So you guys really don't need that much help. So I hope you enjoyed learning math. Bye!